Hello friends, this is the GrownUps Gamer and welcome back to another session, and I got some very exciting updates for you. As you can see on my screen right now, today we will talk about a little bit about animations and this little mess I made up here and another template that I found and I actually going to use because I actually did found a template that I can customize without any issues. I saw the code, I saw everything, and I realized it was much better than the first one that I tried. So we are switching to that. But before I got myself a template, I realized that I really needed to learn about Unity animations because, I have been messing with Unity since 2015 and I stopped for a long time and a lot changed. And I gotta say that is much easier to do stuff now than it was on 2015. So the engine has evolved a lot and we are going to leverage that in a way. But before we go to the template, first of all, after I finish messing with the animations, this is basically the animation cycle from where the game actually should base upon. And as you can see, I have made the walking backwards, the strafing left, the strafing right, running, and I was working on the aiming animation, but I did not make it work. But yeah, so I was really messing well with the animations over here. It was working quite well. I realized that you see this mess down here. There's actually an easier way to do that, which is called blend trees. Basically, you get a set of animations and you blend them together under some parameters. Like all these parameters that I made here, they are unless the action ones like jogging and aiming, but strafing left, strafing right, backing up, these are useless basically because you can just use a blend tree and get those attributes together. So let me show that for you. I'm going to hop to another project real quick. Okay, we are now in a new project, and this project right here is part of a template that's called, let me remember, our system. This template over here, it basically gives me a character with animations, gives me some examples of item pickups and attack animations and doors and keys that depend on those doors. So there is like a dependency system here, which is really good. The pickup system it also gives me, so it gives me a lot, and this lot is very interesting in a way that is going to accelerate really fast my development here. I already made some changes on this template, like there was shooting but there was no crosshair, no gun animations, and I added that. And the animator in here, as you guys can see, unlike my other project, let me go to the player, is much more clear. And it is clear because of the blend trees that I spoke about. As you can see, it gets some animations, and based on the inputs of the player, which my face is hiding it, which is this box up here, it triggers each animation on those specific points based on the player's input. So this is really good. This actually cleans up that mess of animations that we have here, and basically we all need everything that we need is just that, and it works. It works like a charm. And I have changed a lot on the pistol script because even though this is basically ready to be used, this was made with earlier version of Unity, and some things that were a little bit whack. The movement was kind of in a slow motion, some things that were broke, and I had to fix a lot of stuff. But I did it, and let me show you how it looks now. We are in the play mode, and in the play mode, as you can see, the animations are triggering correctly, like going back, going forward, left, right, running back. I don't like this animation too much, but it works for now. And the walking forward, strafe left running, strafe left running, the strafe 45 degrees left, 45 degrees right, back 45 degrees left. I really like this animation actually. And 45 degrees right. All these animations work together really well, they blend really well, and I kind of made it work because it was not very good. Okay, so what this template offers? It offers me, you probably can hear that, there's some interactions here with the objects, like the radio, turns on, turns off, TV, turns on, turns off. We have a template for a knife and a knife attack, which I think I'm really going to use this because it's really cool. We have the flashlight, which I can attack, but I can't see the flashlight. The flashlight, it gives a small spotlight, which is exactly what you expect from a flashlight, not so much secret here. It works very well. We have the pistol, and as you can see, as I pick up the pistol, my crosshair changed. The crosshair is going to stay hidden until I aim, but for now it stays on forever. I still need to fix that. But I did the crosshair from 0 because there was no crosshair in this game when I got the template. So basically it has the gun, the aiming animation, the shooting. The recoil system also did not exist, so I created it. And it works quite well. It reloads the gun, so it's something else. We have doors that need keys, which is also going to be used on my game. And I find it really fun. And of course the pickups, which I'm going to change to look more like the Resident Evil 4 pickups. So we got some ammo, we got some batteries, we got some healing. We have files, which I'm still debating if I should use or not, because I remember that in Resident Evil Outbreak I did not care about them, especially because the game was always running, there was no pause to read stuff. So maybe I could use that to hide a password or something like that, like Outbreak does, but I'm not sure if this is a good idea for a modern game. And of course there is interactables. So all this stuff is coded. And the last box, it's like a damage thing, which I think it's quite cool, but I want to change. And the death animations, there's only one. I don't want everybody to be dying with the same animation, so I'm going to add like a list of animations, and the game will choose one of the animations from this list, so it can randomize the stuff a little bit. After one more thing that I want to show up that I made because the template did not come with it. It's the pistol animation. I created a pistol shoot animation that's here, and if I pick up the pistol and if I shoot, you see that the slider of the pistol goes backward. I know it sounds stupid, but I'm kind of proud of it because it gives me a lot of work. And yeah, it works. So if it works, it works. Okay, so yeah, we are having some progress now. I mean, the template absolutely helps me with that, and I have not posted much this week because I have expended a lot of time learning Unity again, especially the C# stuff here on Visual Studio, like the recoil stuff I had to add because it did not exist. Decay recoil, this is a new function that I have written because it did not exist as well. The crosshair recoil is an entirely new script that I wrote with some help of AI because I don't hate myself. And it basically collects all the four parts of the crosshair and moves them based on the recoil value of the pistol, which is calculated on the pistol script by those variables here. Variables. And well, there are some other scripts that I still need to digest because I have not read them fully. I only read the part that I need, like the pistol thing. I have read the pistol thing, and I understand how this thing works now. And this is the player script, which is called Plate Controller. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. Like it has many variables. It has the start function. There are some systems that work every frame of the game that evaluates like movements, if the game's paused, how's my health, the battery, the knife, the pistol. Anyway, a lot of stuff. And since this is really well made and really well documented, it's much easier to work with than the first template that spent 2 hours. So yeah, this is why I not posted this week yet, because I was using a lot of time to learn this again, so I can actually bring some meaningful content for you guys. Because what a developer develops is not so much interesting. So now we're going to show results. So yeah, that was a quick one. For the next video, I want to start working with the enemies. That's going to be I will try to make 2 types of enemies for the first test stage. And going to refine some more stuff here. Of course, we need to refine like the shooting. We need to refine like the reloading animation, which does not exist for now. We need to actually create the helipad, which still does not exist. We are working with this template is seen here, and we are going to move over to the helipad. And after that, if I manage to finish the helipad and the enemy, I can start working on the cycle for the first test and the online stuff, which how to connect plays together on the same lobby, how to host a lobby on my computer for now, and then after that we could get a dedicated server or something. So yes, there's a lot of stuff to still figure out. Maybe I wonder if we can get something playable in December. I hope so, because I want to play with you. And yeah, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching me. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Everything helps. And we are developing. See you guys next time. Bye bye.